to these days. Whereby Izzy Omoruyi Izzy Egbe no we Omoruyi no ya patient Omoruyi wa hameno tota ama ha mo ri abo to ri abo awo tin yen dolo yi e video ro ni a pe mo wa ya pe video ri Monica ma wa ne presenter ni bu ma gbe hokoto ya da mi ho ya pe ma wa isubo gbe hokoto o bete ya nyama kinemekedi ra ono mweme adi media presenter ni bu ma Oli bunyanga no ga media. Ono mo ya di media. O career no ga rugwe. O fenoro wa no ka me no ro ege ro wa. Please guys, share this video. O salo bwana gu azo sere na Izzy no we Omoruyi as a best friend. O fenoro wa Okame no ro ege mi ro wa. O fe no gari o won. O ga ho o won. Izzy. Now, wani bu we ya guteme na. E ko kin ani ani wani bu hunda we aguye no pe mo wane. Now, let me first of all go straight to Ika body ore Monica ne ikedo analyze of Izzy because of Izzy. Dawe kiri dan yo. Dawe part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5 yes. This is not careful before kill yo. Because I'm altar. So Nika boge Monica ne wa ye wa dan yo wa ga video na. Iwe do di ro wa kirisi. Wa ye fe no tie bi wa se Sharon Watota no wadame ho ya ikpe video no wo ire yi so ya zere ma wa unda na mu a obo wa yopme wo wa dame ho ira mo fun iya mi la ho right from time kitai o si ona mi na we na re wo ye mi Sharon na gbagbagba wa dame ho a wune egba wi agbe ya pe video ri Monica oge ye jore ya la so Monica. Let's play the video.
Un'estate di sconti su Auto Hero. Renault Clio a partire da 8.300 euro o Peugeot 2008 da 8.900 euro e molte altre. Oltre 3.000 auto usate a prezzi imbattibili, ricondizionate e con un anno di garanzia. Scopri gli sconti dell'estate su Auto Hero, la più grande concessionaria indipendente d'Europa. Quanto vorrei
Adame ho imosi wa ru wa adame ho we yet to comment you are blocked
when Monica talk say na Izzy max for here everything so we will that video
adame ho
cause Izzy dey deny say she don't know one, she don't know two. All those right what she did right ever since. Let mama talk for you, move talk.
Wa adame ho you do.
Mama Sharon no see person carry her family matter give. She can't say na you Monica she want give. No, na Izzy give me the full 100% contract.
Now somebody write comment for Monica platform when Monica talk about Mama Sharon issue. Somebody write the comment say Mama Sharon no see person carry in family matter give. Me can't talk for social media. It comes in as you, Monica, now you want to give. Now then Monica reply the commenter say, no be Mama Sharon carry matter give me from the upset. The person wey carry matter come for me, wey carry Sharon and the Mama matter come for me. Now Izzy Omoruyi. You understand? Now Izzy Omoruyi. The problem is say, not be the way Izzy want Monica take cure am. Not be so Monica can take cure am. The thing come backfire. It was not the way the work where Izzy want Monica do for her. Not be Monica can't do for her. Now so the thing can't take angry. Now be the problem where Izzy can't get with Monica. Because Izzy and Monica are still the be before. You understand? And they always let me know say, not be everybody will carry case come police station and win the case. You understand? If your case not clear, the case go backfire you. You will carry person come and come beat, and you will call the beat. It they happen for this platform where. You understand? Especially when you listen to the live on top of person. Now we will see happen between Monica and Izzy. We will still hear small before I go stop. I'm not play on too long. Now you they listen, you know. My people wanna sit down, wanna listen. Wanna listen. What do I agbona bele dimiye. What to turn what down here? No, don't laugh. I patiently want to make this good girl come and come disgrace herself before I talk to her.
I may not have easy now.
My people. She said not be Mama Sharon give her contract to. Say na Izzy. Na give her contract. You see waiting they could call the cry now. Eh? So now you come Monica, they cry Monica everything where they happen. Now you not send Monica a message. When I listen.
You don't know when person give you 100% contract. You can't reach there. The person will say that you buy. You not go buy the person. And this one will say that you go buy. He don't already give you everything, proof and evidence of go buy. And I want to report to police like una so.
Okay.
You may get a post. And on pattern no memoir, over here, set walking we. Where he may release a secret on one of the world release.
Okay. That's true.
Monica, talk with you, no. Talk with you, no. Monica, you're probably Monica. The secret where the ball and jump to he. We go with Bono when I go over your soup. Protect some show me, Daddy, my jet. Oh, I'm not getting any bomber. He receiver, he might be better. Oh, man, in Yahweh, I have a social media where. Oh, he may go more, he will come. He may not tell me, Yaki, don't arrest you.
Okay.
Huh?
Now,
Rosemary Johnson, not that problem, though. If now Mama Sharon, I give me the contract, in Nash for the grey water come. Say, oh, is your, every no other cook the Westward. Oh, my no, they give me to act with the social media. You don't get on. You don't fear me.
I took on the hair.
So what's your Monica? What are you
Enogie. Yeah, you down here.
Yes,
No, yaro we Sharon.
He said,
we.
Who tell you now? Before person they send me message, but my wife don't fear me. Make it say now. Yeah, well, work, but oh yeah. I you tell no this person they say me by you. You never see him for free. And that person now go concept
You get one thing you don't understand. You know, you get a person going to do saga. Especially we will be presenter. If you constantly do saga with person, they try they read that person saga, they read the lines of the saga. If this person gets concrete evidence, the way they do saga, it go different from if you not get evidence. If Monica hold evidence for hand, they cure person. You know the fear, not the shake for mouth. Because you know say get proof. You understand? She knows say she get proof. Me they tell you now, Monica go record Izzy keep. Monica go record Izzy keep for hand. But Izzy no know. You understand? You know, say some people day will be say you go to tell them something, they're not go take your words. I tell Izzy for like I do broadcast Izzy. Any presenter called you, they record them. You get white or that thing. And everyone knew now, so now Izzy even carry the whole Sharon matter and the mama matter go give Monica. And Monica tell Saga mama. You see how demonic Izzy is. Now he carry Matana go give Monica. Make Monica take saga Sharon mother. And after Monica come hear Sharon mother own side of the story, can't no say now he's now bad person. The table can't turn around. Now Izzy now was not disappointed. Not be the way she did expect. Says Monica go take talk for this matter. Not be so Monica go take carry the matter. The matter come backfire. Izzy, I patiently want me you can't talk. I know even know so now movie, now series film, you want to use your matter to do. Now, I believe so now they hear the story now. Now they hear where the whole story, the whole thing from the come, now from Izzy. Now for Izzy hand for the come.
They call presenters.
There you go.
You know what I talk?
Hey, we.
Eh?
I hope you get listen. The watch.
See, I'm like, you call her. Okay, what's it called? Make you call the insulter. Since I use send a message. Huh? When they write, say, now so Google quit this one. Now so Google buy this one. Now so Google do this one. Whereas, now you send a message.
Message, yeah, tell you, or man, what you, shut up, man. I'll go report you to social media people. They'll know you. Go report me to police. Make they go harass me. I go confess that time.
Now you send a message.
Where police, so
okay.
I'm not to report to what? Not to report to me. You give me.
What do you know?
Yeah, where the fee. Fee go play for now.
Yes,
now that don't I go no sakona no wajina still pardon.
Where?
Now see life.
Easy.
Okay. Sumo shikolo na toso.
What can American?
When they see life, I just patiently want to make this girl come full himself yesterday. Because those is series part 1 to part 8. In part 9, you could write a woman bomber. Or you said.
Okay. Atai where Eva Lume or Jalume Atai. Because you have a we like it you okay.
Dans les story.
Vous ne connaissez pas TapTapSend?
Dans les story.
TapTapSend est le moyen le plus efficace pour envoyer de l'argent rapidement au Mali.
Et confirmation, mais il y a confirmation, ok? Okay. Et WhatsApp.
Here waiting Monica talk. He said like confirmation. Now she go confirm for Bonokadam to tell you say she go do confirmation for Mama Sharon hand. Monica go do confirmation for Mama Sharon hand before she come the blow up. After Izzy don't diagnose everything, give Monica. Monica go do confirmation for Mama Sharon hand. Where they take conference with Mama Sharon with Monica together. Before Monica ball out. Unknowingly to Mama Sharon, say Izzy Omoruyi or Zanzan, even Yaki Monica. Now see Percy for this life, eh? Oh God.
Okay. Hey, what's up?
This kind of thing is so way happen so now the same thing will happen to Esther, Destiny, Edward. Because if you got hearing, when something resembles something, you go to make parable. The same thing where Edward give Monica audio that year of Esther, where Monica play. Where people would they ask who give Monica audio? Where Monica foresee audio, the thing result to a lot of things, a lot of saga. Before Monica come finally burst out, who give her audio. The same thing with this one. When no one who go back to say Nas is there, when no one lock up, when that's why I'm media. Because it was not what we were expecting Monica to say. That was what Monica was saying. You see, You see this issue? When this thing happened, somebody called me and the person tell me, say, make I relax, say, Izzy go talk when time reach. When time reach, Izzy know the platform where she want go talk. And the platform where I know say Izzy want to go talk now, Monica platform. Because Monica and Izzy na so they be. I said, now Monica platform or Olakoko platform. And they talk about the people close to Izzy now. They tell you, either you go talk Monica platform or she'll go talk for Olakoko platform. That was what me and my wife discussed. No, say Izzy already talk already. And it was an evil talk to use the saga Masharo. But unfortunately, the table turned around. Here matter. Here cassette. It's alive. It's alive.
Okay. A WhatsApp. Nana. You just haven't come there. If you know so, you just haven't come there. Okay. A good no latin and open. You just haven't seen me. Come in, no so, me. Atai.
Not here. Not here. Not here. Cool.
A shadow be shed with 2 years in my way. You just haven't tied me.
Okay.
Okay.
I do my drink. My drink is shake. Me no go cold. It's the hot.
You just haven't lucky go be. Atai, money. You just haven't you with her. Oh, don't want
Is he there?
Well, I can't open one. Oh, well, I can't open. You. Monica, we are not going to ban you. And we're not crazy. Make I see no reporting my police station and social media.
What people na here? Yes, na you son of what you come make you call the insulter. So that you're wanting for hear everything.
That what do not see life.
So you're wanting for hear everything.
Not see life.
Why you call the insulter? You know so that you send a message.
Me I drink.
Okay, the one way like you talk, you not talk. This like the people, my people. You say not go come and come talk, but they come presenters. They tell them everything way happen. Now, the message when say Monica no come do one serious. The one make it do one. I should have get one from Boston now, but now you call her. Now you tell them everything.
You see this life, I greet everybody with better style. Yeah, basic. You see, all I want and all I pray for is for Sharon to be buried amicably. Because while the life, you know, my brother, my sister, will they watch me so, if you know, by that money. Or see on my bomber, a 10 bomber. Egboma or Igboma. I will never know Boabuna or see Begbe or give my even continue a Kenya lamb. Oh, Yawe, can one cospan, oh, Yawe, sorry your enemy. You will be doing everything possible. As far as my wrong, I think your enemy. But my house is not sick away. Begbe. Here, we need to get away. I'm not seeing no man. I will say no man, so lobo ade bayan, so lobo ade bayan fair no say no around. You understand? Uda Izzy, no your moji. Izzy Egbe, no your moji, Nari. Inya ka problem we be munda we ba ye go na bia ye ban. E woro wan sagi no. You understand? You got to talk about story we. To nya your be a story we. We no ga ta lo Sharon. Me na me no tell you need to kill the story we. Okbe no bia na, omo no bia na wo. You tell you ya pe money he no ya wo. Okbe no ga friend no you ga ho wo wa no ke Nigeria aje we we ga wo wa. We mu ke una mi o han ai. Okbe no ko wa na mu wa you na mu wa na mu aje we. One do you go to Mila, no go away over. While you wait. At the end of the day, anyway, we will go back to the wife. And that's why you done. Easy. Hey, Baba. Akbo bigak you easy. Where my worst is the Sharon. Then you Sharon, you will walk back and you will be here. One way to imagine brother, you will know, you will be away. Walk back, you will one eye. Who burn with Biju easy. A shower at Bijario. Easy. A bon way out where you were. A shower at your book where you no, why you will you over. One more who I guess the year. A good mother will discipline a daughter. When I point, when I write, which a mother will you go use money carry in Peking come abroad? That the Peking go decide. You go still give the Peking document finish. The Peking go decide. They take that document and go Nigeria. So they go to carry they come abroad. And they ask her, which reasonable mother will be proud of that kind of a daughter? And you don't you say it will not believe if you say. It will not hear what it believe if you say. Easy now, easy. Ona Sharon, ona mufiakara na papa Sharon. Baga no gwe because oga no gwe to gbe yon. Ti Sharon gbe yon. To which Sharon easy gbe yon. Izzy Omoruyi to gbe yon we respect ye. Izzy otota ye wa gegege. Iye do ki mu ne sukuno jo kore. Odo le do ton Izzy Izzy no way. Udele no honge no more area. Now Izzy, you started your video and said Ima yari rai wamana gwa abo se Sharon wamana gwa mahani rai any mo yari rai. Good, that's a nice one. It's true, you are right. Ima yari rai. Easy. All what we don't there. We now have 8 episodes for just one day. Since the Makewe live video, we have never seen any presenter, no matter how hot the topic may be. We have not seen any social media presenter that did 8 episodes on one day. 8 live video on one day. Do you know how much you made yesterday? Easy. Do you know how much you used your own dead sister, your own dead friends to make yesterday? Who is worse now? Easy, tell the world. Who is more hungry now? Who is the most hungriest woman now? The most hungriest presenter now? Easy. The most hungriest content creator now? No, Izzy Omoruyi. Or see when you are creating 8 contents on a day, not up to 6 hours. You see when we are creating content, 8 contents. You have part 1 to part 8. Oh yeah, Maui. Don't know how many baby my hello no you can since then. Don't know how many baby now. No you come we my here now you can see. What's it Izzy say? What is it? What's it Sharon say? What is Sharon Yakubu say? It's a very simple issue. They ask you, return the granddaughter to the mother. Return on more. Oh yes, Sharon Mugije Mugiri Bioy. I am Moku, Amugiri Bioy. Ije no se work barrier one. That was just all for me. That is only that was only where I have issue with you. Return on mortgage. And you'll be writing blah 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 on the platform. And at the end of the day, you still return the baby. When you return the money. You said a lot of things that I just listen, I laugh. All in the name of debunking. Who will not care zina? Why is you? Why is you? will not kwezina. When Izzy, I mean Sharon, when Izzy, was say Sharon if you will not call her. Because on not be a more woman or we any, on our not discipline. One are yellow, one as one cookie, one are year you are done against her. Of course, if you work over, or say, well, just very well, or cook well. If you just with you, you just work over your way. To hear how go on. Hello? Alpha? Are you sad now? Anything? Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Okay. No worry. No worry. Gracias. Oh, it's coming now.
No. Wait. Sí, no, sí. Gracias.
Okay. Now easy. You just have to go money here. Money here, you mula webu. Or you like when they pay your bill. No, ya what they win and ya winner. On the bia. What Adam you do? Do what is your mode, do what they happy. You're only a useless mother that will be supporting the children, becoming creating atrocity around the vicinity of that mother, where that mother has created a good name already. No, yes, we win. I want to quick be up here. On I hear the document to your body. A region will give you no more say. On I ya Tia Clown, that Tia Clown, Tia Jamaica, Tia Buddha, Tia the whole European meaning enogie. Then definitely no mother will be happy with that kind of character. No reasonable mothers will be happy with that kind of attitude. Also, no money sang to that. Money here, money here, more idea we no back the whole country. That's to tell you where it was after his own selfish interest to make his own money good. At least when all you calabar, you could do not you clear the canic belega. Again, we are not going to go peace and harmony. You understand? Where I want to know not having the idea of why I saw my coming. That thing with the head no talk about, I go tell you now. Whether I like, whether dead, I go tell you now. That's why my own life different from now. On monogale and negbe, we no have anywhere, we no use school in our office, baby. On my year, you see, and I'm in the hour, after Jemmy way, the doors be done. A Jemmy way, the doors be done. Oh, while in a bower, now, as on monogale and negbe, not the intellectual, not the responsible. As beautiful as she is, not one bashawo. Is a more balance, madam. You understand? Each way now, boy, each way, boy. Or now, the way I do one. Now, listen and listen very carefully. Is it as in Nigeria or the ticket or in Nigeria or Sharon? Sharon Guinea, or we have Sharon already. We are Sharon. Let us say the truth. We are toilets. What will be that miss of that acting system? Wow, mind you, this girl was living with the mother house. Was living with her own mother. All her have your wish. He was living, he was squadding with the mother. All squad the key, all the ticket, all in Nigeria. You'll be squadding with your own mother. You go buy tickets. You will not fly to Nigeria to go knock. To go carry belly. Come give your own mama again. Which mother will accept that from your daughter? Which mother? Every mother pray, making daughter grow up, be a responsible woman, and got a responsible man and get married. And as we speak now, even the man will give her belly, we never see no. Now let God go. Now let God know if the man, the mother even know who give the daughter belle. How can you imagine? Your mother say you don't do okay for Naija. You come abroad to come get a better life. You decide to say okay, now Naija you want to go for the carry belle come. Is it not better that you live for the job your house, the husband house or there? You come my house, the husband house or there. Now, Izzy, they work as a mother that have action. My own sister, my own elder sister, at 25 years old, she go sleep in my house. My papa, when she come back to the house, 25 years old, she go sleep in my house. The man where she married to the way she born 6 children for. Where she go sleep that my house. As she come back, we beat her, we naked now. We use pepper. Breast don't fall with the for chest. I hear ya webe. And I get to use razor blade, shave and bolo. Shave and bolo. That's the only thing. One of the wicked things. I say my power wicked. Me they come and say wicked and wicked arts. As they do one, me they cry for my sister. Where I not go forget my life. To forget that you know if it come my brain. Because I'm watching my eyes see croco eye. And my parents, they beat on my elder brothers, they match. See how it close, pieces all those fine clothes, sketch with the other sketch. They go with pack, they pack and come up for corner like they put fire, they burn up. We really because we ran. No do. That same man, or you marry, or you Vienna. But the discipline with the giver. The discipline with the giver. After the bitter finish, they run. One woman for opposite of house carrier, baffan, rubber, powder, all those powder called the pop powder for your body. It be like a person with the doloku. It be like a person with the doloku. It will be one. Is even a soul. Mama they cry. Will be one. Wow. This one is my papa enter how much is larger. Wana. Mama they beg. My sister not sleep that day. That day not sleep that. That woman has that sleep. That woman when they break. My papa scattered their kitchen for the cook. For allowing my sister to sleep at her house. Not be small fight. Then, person mama discipline daughter. Una carry her entire house. Una start the pump work for a man. Una spoil the girl against the mother. Una spoil that girl a mind. Una poison that girl mind. Easy with mama. Nari you wear it away. While you are working. When I'm sure what yeah, Sharon might you against you. You want come and not talk. It can't tie before that way. Easy woman and you not. You don't get what you want to talk. You don't be saints. You not be you see yes, when your hands they open. All those who they post your picture, congratulations are easy. Easy, Lord is your strength. Lord is your strength. But now see who they more. Now see who they more. Now see person with the more. Now see your friend. See your friend. Me I show you person we really mourn. I want to show a person we really mourn. We be say it really show say yes, you miss somebody. You see this girl, this picture where I bring come out. Now when Sharon back. When I see this picture, when I see so, this one now golden Dorothy. Now when Sharon back, you see her face. Don't be so her face because make her bring her real face come. Make her bring her real face where she know they cry. Make her bring her real face come now. When I see like I get a real face for you too. You see her real face? Easy. I want to show you something. How demonic you be. I want to show the whole world. I want to cross-check your demonic attitude. You see her real face. This one now, she not dey cry. You see the one where they up so. Now when Sharon bye, now be this one when she dey up so. For the days when she take cry, her face swear, her nose swear. When I go see Izzy, what can Izzy do? When Izzy talk? So sexy, so beautiful, so lovely. It resembles person we just knock finish. It be like person we just do like 3 rounds finish. Or now, oh, what's in here? Make a remote. I just want to use this girl picture to show now the difference between person with the more. The difference between person with the more. Forget the fact that this guy talk anyhow. I can't sagara. But with this picture where I see, I know so yes, this girl really cry for Sharon death. This girl really feel for Sharon death. It really shows say yes. On a girl collective woto. We work Sharon. Or girl like me. The thing touch her. That is it. Coco Legino. Person will be say things touch. If you see her when they talk, you go know. She was constructive in her ways. She sit down comfortably, construct all the words, all the lies and everything which she wanted to come to attack Mama Sharon. You and Mama Sharon not the quarrel. You they talk waiting in Mama do Sharon. Nothing about Sharon which not do the more that we talk. When I watch the video, in all the ways we easy talk about this whole story, nothing wrong about Sharon. Sharon was the best. Sharon was nice. Sharon was the nice person you can ever meet. Sharon has a lot of friends. Sharon is this. Sharon is that. Nothing bad about Sharon. So you mean say the mother a bad person? You don't try to tell us that the mother is a wicked mother. Are you not trying to let us know say Mama Sharon a wicked person? Say Mama Sharon, he just decide he carry pikin come to college, lady pikin for abroad. Is that what you're not trying to tell us? He carry pikin come, give him a document finish. He won't call the use the pikin. Now what did they tell us? He carry pikin come, he give him a document finish, he pursue pikin for house. So nothing when you Sharon will tell you say, see what thing I do my mama will make my mama pursue me for house. You know the which mother go they happy to see a young daughter, beautiful as Sharon, never born before. Person will never born before, beautiful as she is, they abroad, give her a document. If they date married man for Nigeria. If they from here, they buy ticket, they go to fuck. Person will get husband for us. Get wife for us. Which man? The one with that useless or Zuo. That one we born picking, it's a way 3 picking, they talk yesterday. I don't want to just listen to that one. That's the way they abroad, they spend money, they give boy will get wife or ass for Nigeria. Or one say only that book Benny. You know, see, I say for this case, he don't support Monica. This Sharon matter. If you don't support Monica, if you support Izzy to the beat my Sharon. Because of this, the dating where Sharon just dates Jeff Omoruyi. Because of the dating where Sharon dates Jeff Omoruyi, if the verse for Sharon put even at grave. Eki Sharon yema, eki Jeff yema oni, e Sharon wa o ye bale vie, e beti now. O ye bale be even at death. That's your vie. Et puis c'est no via bon aussi. Koyo. So in all your life alongside with Izzy, Sharon, so nothing where Sharon do wrong. No way we Sharon offend the mother. Just the way the boys in son or not offend the mother. Una collect Sharon for your mama hand. Now they manipulate Sharon. Now succeed in manipulating Sharon finish for your mama here. Now in brother you still enter now. Sharon, bye. The uncle, all of them come from hospital, they come your house, come they console you. Not be the mama they come console. Now your man to take talk, now what is the matter? Your son, this will not be saga. Oscar Martins, this is not saga. You understand? You know one person they tell now the truth, now will turn out to saga. When Izzy sit down, they give a super story. No, not transmit, not do saga. Because no, you know, a video now. If you like what I'm going to do now, that one, I'm not going to watch live video again. I'm not going to watch upload video. Now I'm going to be best now. Because at least if I do upload video, I'm not going to question me as I talk so. Izzy give an upload video, you're still on gonna go look. She use and make money enter house. None of them go question her for there. Right? It's the truth. So I leave that one. As this topic, then at least I feel do one like part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, part 7, part 8, part 9, part 10. Message to Izzy part 1, message to Izzy part 2, message to Izzy part 3, message to Izzy part 4, till part 10. It go good like that. Person way see you call your best friend. You talk about her. They disgrace the mother for social media. They disgrace the man. The same you carry the mother matter, go give presenter. What will be your own take for this issue of Sharon's death? Easy. Tell the world. What do you want? What was the agreement between you and Sharon before she died? What make you want to terrorize the mother? You don't get quarrel with the mother. You and the mother not the quarrel. But you talk everything we concern Sharon and the mother. Ask for social media. You carry the mother matter, go give Monica. And they ask you a question. Or time away. You first come and say you want to go talk or you not give platform. They call you when you not talk. I know the best way they call you when you not talk. When you not come and come talk. You cease fire. And now you decide say you want to come and come talk. You sit down, you compose all the words you want to talk. You compose them, you summarize them, you memorize them, you drop them, you edit them, you post them. Why you not do live video to come talk? Why you do editing video? Some people they're stupid then. All those people they believe all those your words we talk. You know they believe editing video. Don't want script. You write script finish. You play the script. You edit the script. You post the script. You invite makeup artists. You invite editor. You invite your manager. After managing the script, edit the script, make up the script, then you post the script on social media. You get part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, part 7, part 8, part 9, one day. Just one day. Just one day with one uniform. With one uniform and one position. You don't change color, you don't change background, you don't change position. Make the thing look more unique. May you look more unique. You stop because now drama you add for us. Now story you give us. You give us super story. This now super story. You understand? The story of Sharon. No. This is a super story. Story of Sharon death. This is a super story. The story of Sharon death. Written by Izzy Omoruyi. Directed by Izzy Omoruyi. This is a super story. You see now? In all your speech, nothing like water run away from my eyes. God, I remove our glass for you, my Izzy. Easy. I remove our glass for you. In all your story, you narrated yesterday. Nothing like saying water on the run through my eyes. Manager, better give me a handkerchief. Make I tap my face. What a friend. Let me give kudos to what is it they call that woman? Joy Asemuta. Joy Asemuta, who created the GoFundMe, who came out on to speak to the general public. Oh, Baba. We see woman, we see they get feelings for friends, for humanity. She dey talk, she dey cry. I don't feel watch that video to the end. I swear I don't watch that video to the end. For Monica platform. If I don't do my face like that, I just come on there. I don't even know where the tea go, where the tea come. I don't know where it go, I don't know where it come again, because I don't feel watch her. You know why? That tears, I don't want to see person dey cry. She did cry. Now throw face. Listen to her. They cry. This is the type of face. Tears they fall out. You could not see yes. She don't fake the tears. She not fake the tears like what everybody they do. Everybody they fake tears, they cry. They sing, they cry, they fake tears. Julieta Semota, God bless you, maybe her name. She not fake her. Now reality, now clear. Now reading. Share this video. Make it come, make it sit down. You're gonna tag this your moment now. Because hello ma. I greet you, man. This speaker.
God bless you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, no, they always know them. The same thing, no one can I may want with her. Episode 1 and episode 8. This number will be here.
Yes.
Now, sorry, my sister. Is it I made them about me none of our way. Yeah, I was singing with Nigeria, they get the honor of here.
God bless you.
This woman not created God for me. A woman even the honor of here. Even and then those are made those are made here. They go there here. Easy mama here the video no part one and take package with him. I made them about me none of our way. Away I can now I for you. Only on say. What's my brother here with mom?
God bless you.
God bless you.
Thank you very much, man. Sometimes we need to say it the way it is. Easy. Sit down. Sit down. Because Azen, I need an Azen. If you not be clearance, not be you like clearance. Hello?
Hello, bro. Soon after.
Good afternoon, man. Just speak out.
Problem not that I won't contribute.
Quiet.
Okay, when me they watch Izzy yesterday, the thing baffled me because one, bros, truth not tell me they're not talk. No mother like me you be our only child who happy say she carry you come Europe, you can't they go Africa, you can't go they carry belle they come. No mother go there happy.
Okay.
No mother. Even Izzy when they talk yesterday. Izzy mama no go happy say Izzy go Nigeria go carry belle all the mugi yen at her age 30-something years. No mother they thought say me they not judge the death, fine she does them, may her so rest in peace. No mother go happy for that thing. You know say we Africans, me I cannot say Nigeria, we Africa we get one mentality say now picking one can remove us from suffer. You know say we get that mentality.
Yeah, yes.
Well, say if we don't train our children, now they will come remove us now from poverty or from suffer. So Mama Sharon, they get that belief. Say if she doesn't bring the two children, at least at their age now 30, 20-something, may they come still help her remove her now from suffer. She gets that mind. No, boom, she just go Africa, one more cowrie. Or they go for why the man what happen to the men when they you want them to say for how many years when she not my friend Marco. Okay, she not found love here. It happened. She found love for Africa. My brother, you for how many years? Because all the story when is talk now. Neighbor house, Mama Sharon house, Mama Sharon. Okay, Sharon no come get say this one a room a parlor. Me but here in West Africa. Many are tinyo bomutinyo where a celebrity now. Kano ye we have a do the banana drama. Mama I can have go to Kano. For 30-something years, you they sleep your ma back. Even see the easy way they talk yesterday. Now so if you offend mama they begging me come eat. Mama okay all this said Ume pa nu ya mo go for when. Ume pa 30-something years or maybe it's na since say Sharon na junior in senior maybe it's go be 40 or 40-something. You never see come on go carry your own house. Okay, you want to say mama is now no feel so okay, may you get privacy. Oh me so baby me so Luigi zi more because of your work anoka. Of your work anoka.
And he could have made you like screaming. Yeah, go you like screaming.
Okay, easy when you be we share up on pa solazia, ah? Okay, easy no physical commode na me si go carry your ass. Because that one like mama house now. You they use all mothers not be the same. Easy not to use your mama compare Sharon mama. No. Not be the way Mama Sharon take suffer for your children. Not be so Mama Izzy take suffer for our own children. No. Exactly. You they talk say okay, wait till you pay me fast. When your mama driver come up for us, you can come on house. Your mama can go wake you in the morning say yeah, no even no able. Even no able a visitor of Huawei. Sharon a visitor, so una need to treat her well. Make she spend 2 years for you after that she don't bring her character format. What it be 2 years? Make she spend 1 year for now after she not bring her character. You know the character when she dey protest for her mother house. The mama don't train you right from more kick on reach 30-something years. When we're training you where maybe Natana na Eri go ware. Maybe Natana na Eri go pare. You know they bring feed the money, you know they bring light, you know they bring water. Be na mama they cut to ya. Say they gather that money. Then at the end, you see pack your friends come, your mama bar, don't come see it. Any of it, Sharon friend when go talk bad of Mama Sharon, and that Mama Sharon food when they eat, now go buy them. Now go buy them. Because they never say anyone went so good. Now you come and you don't even talk anything bad about your friend. We Mama say, now this one Mama come the quarrel put so make people see say, but this one is not doing well. But Mama Sharon, you forgive now. But I know say not be all this Mama Sharon say wrong, right too. Definitely Mama Sharon see wrong on her own part. That one na normal. She still wrong on her own part. But bros, truth not say me they not talk no more that will happy say. See the brother of Pamen, that one I started liability non dige. Sharon, liability non dige. When they go ya more on pregnancy, you know the happiness when they mama if woman pray husband, the day when they pay a black price. You know the happiness when they mother, the way they mother meant. Okay, fair now, no man do that one. You can't see carry on. You say now, so your man they bath the begin, your man they do this one. You won't call you if you look what where she is the thing that red. It said the talk to Mama Sharon yesterday.
Exactly now.
Bros, one part where people know what are not listening for them. He said when that girl, what it be the one when you show a picture your snap.
Dorothy.
When they do video for TikTok, Dorothy say when they do video for TikTok, he can't call person say tell her make she cut that video. Then when Mama Sharon call you say, oh, we are still wanting to wagbaje participated or warobi man. You can't say you they come and you go look the video. You can't look the video, you can't even show Pame. You not can't tell us, say you not call Osamede, say Samede, why you do this kind of video to my friend Mama? You not talk that part.
Yes.
You then when you look the video, you can't show Pame, you can't say Cause you not talk with it, you can't say reply. Or something, or make you come Mama Sharon back say, Ije la wo, egui ya gwegwa. As your friends, Mama. Okay, the other one when you want to talk, you say that they accuse you say you know they go Sharon house. Say Sharon, if you all go there, go enter your body, you see the fear. But if you hold the pikin, you know the fear. Because if you see the pikin, it resembles a mama. Now if pikin, you suppose they see you body here forward. Not be the house. You feel hold the pikin, you know fear. But you go feel go a house, you go the fear. My sister, Mona they fear God. Everybody really knows you. You know say everybody make one statement say, if you open man, you don't say gossip your friend. Even when you talk say she be your sister, you be your friend. Everybody talk and say you don't say gossip Sharon giving you. If that one open man everywhere go bust. You now you can't talk with Sharon for even wrong in mama. You can't talk in mama. You can't talk good of your own mother. Say so your mama do this. Now your mama can be the best mother for the whole world. My sister, thank you. Bros, that one is my contribution, bros.
Okay, thank you very much. We'll see. Oh, you went could there. My live address. Alright, we make a video come on. I want to play you guys one video of a Festina Peter. Why are you going to see ya feel on my hair? I want barrier one. We need me video on one. Easy, total no video now. Easy, how you get video now? Easy. I hope you are watching this video right now. Easy, you see what a friend did? Account number anywhere. A good fund me now. This is the Nigeria account. This is the good fund me. This is a friend. You think this woman not gets? You think say Festina Peter not get story about Sharon to say? Izzy Omoruyi, you think say Festina Peter not get story about Sharon to say? You think say what's it called? All those actresses we follow, all those Sharon friends, they don't have story about Sharon to say, about the mother of Sharon to say. Why they keep quiet? Why they don't want to talk? Instead, they want Sharon to be buried amicably. Look, listen, just listen. See ya.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
This is not fake. She's not fake.
You know the time you come across this video.
This will not be cry with the fake.
The country you reside. My name is Festina Peter Cesar. I'm an actor and a producer. A few weeks years ago, I lost a sister and a friend.
I'm not fake. You hear me?
It still feel like a dream to me.
Oh, you're not giving up.
I don't want to come out yet to talk about her.
You hear him?
But I have to, because of this particular topic I want to talk about now.
Hello.
Where's the Baba?
What?
What? La, what met you go? The platform you were loud.
Go ahead. Ogun's allowed. Ogun's allowed. Ogun's allowed. Yes, no.
Somebody you can be but when they bring your balloon, men now so do the Soviet now. Izzy Omoruyi ne. Izzy Omoruyi patience. No good bevagmo. No we are gua. All why be a god of best. No, we're back to send out and then grab on the boss. We have bag Sharon for 2 weeks. Sharon is 37 years old. Man, not say 2 weeks, you go 37 years today. You know, he care. So, 2 weeks, you can't you go 37 years today. No, he will take a glory against Sharon. No, he will take about Sharon. No, that Sharon stay away for 2 weeks. For 2 weeks. I'm not in your part, no, you're crazy, Sharon, for one, and me, I'm not time of them. So I 1 hour part 1 hour part 1 hour part 1 hour part 100. The matter was the money here. The matter was your bonova, as the no, never not the Tiana Bella boy, some of the boy, the sister not busy about more. In my cousins here, Papa gets Yanika as then, and Yagoma was say. Am I a good family name? Izzy Kere, Izzy Kaka, yo, Okaja, am I a background Izzy? That guy is not free from witchcraft. A attitude there, who knew what to wear Sharon. If you don't go there anyway, you know why I say drama on behalf of that girl. A lot, no single kindness, no single love. Well, there, no single love. No single love in her for that girl.
You are right.
I mean, but no single love before you can forget. I said to go on the first side. Monica, surprise because he's here. He may go out there with he may go out there when again. I want to say, oh, Sakala, Sharon. Sharon, I'm my bed. Chapter was here. It's not him to go over. Can't you know because you have I see. Etiago, you know, now. I'm a passport to 100. I want coin. A house set there. I'll get me. I won't be. But that's it. I'm not in asset. That guy is so dubious, my brother. So look what now. A man in the funny and gun in her. Why you know I learn? Maybe no one. I'll say to the Kumaya. I'm going to make it beer. I'm going to protect from what's down. And you know, I got protect from what's down. Let me exhaust.
You are very correct.
Yes, so yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm a good I want you to know with me. Oh, one of you will see. Everybody may know. Equal of one busy. I'm not with me. Equal of one of busy. I'm not a good young boy, but is your brother? I want my and me, I will Sharon Izzy. So no problem. Tell me, and Izzy, I'm starting the money for you. Stay away from that family. Izzy, Omoruyi. Stay away from our family, or family. Stay away from me, yeah. Evan, no, stay away from a particular family. Money, stay away from me, yeah. And then you shall not go. Return everything and stay away from there.
Thank you.
Stay away from there, I wish you were.
Thank you very much.
Umewa West,
What? I appreciate it. It's, thank you very much. Yeah. Now, hello. 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 I greet you. Yeah, go ahead.
Because away he handled the part of the story.
God bless you.
Not only that, away he Sharon, away Sharon you worry. The best reason no to her, you don't want to say the remaining one. Then why did you even bother to say it out? Why? Okay, is it Tammy Mana way? A Sharon or a Nije or Wabedije, Idena will not do my your warrior. My warrior, a penicima, but I mean, many penicima time, and I even be my own one. Already again, one hour, Mujayi buy, Waki buy here. All the because he manipulated Sharon, and that is why Sharon apply.
Izzy is no longer alive to give his own side of the story.
Yes, we are because he manipulated. Number one, Izzy we are Izzy when he had only say, okay, any affair, Itana, Sharon, or the name way, I always make Benny now, we Pepe again, wickedness in your mind. No, you are there against each other more and more. And secondly, obey the story, obey is there called Sharon, I wish you only had to bet 2 weeks. Near no making a he, no making a your mom, it's just another one more boy.
Okay.
It's just a petty Sharon. Nana go me well we see okay no your mom make me egbe. It see just Sharon go away never analyze if okay, I never thought of ya and no you can go Sharon ye raw and the custody or record am I concluded what is your business with that child? You are not part of that family. Stay clear, Izzy. Because you're coming out yesterday, you came out to fool your generation. If you know who can Sanya, where go ni Sharon then is you, Sharon on us you are Poluana. Go can we Sharon or Roto, Navin I am donating there. It's there. Wabish well. Sharon who Sharon makes it more. 2 days, this woman see we Sharon
God bless you.
Why say what is no one jack where you talk? Who work a Sharon? If you are in the bell where you Sharon digwe, is it the biotic why you need you what? You can't get over. After many begging like 20 minutes or woman, Laowa, money. If they go back, if was a Nigerian more money will have one can a matter on that down. Because of only have their property again now. Here again he will beg and isn't me and again he will beg any. God will judge you. Domo.
Where's my sister? But hold on, let me talk. You know, you will understand. Izzy can only fool the people he knew he can fool. But a person like me, where he fool my sister, and the truth be that one. In your background, you know, Ukeke, even you have a contact with Ukeke. That was the end of Ukeke today. I don't even have Yaziri. 2 persons don't pass my hand go for Benin people now. Barely Benin actors and actress. Easy. Benin actors and actress too. Or Wakba. Your mother involved with Ukeke before we hear the end of Ukeke. Thank God a lady came out in the Monica platform to also say it the other day. Now, Sharon OKPAMEN was an actor, MC, a musician. Alongside with Eddie. Wo ligi wo nyanga ni you involved alongside with OKPAMEN. Now, where is Sharon? Grigo. Eri yo mo ko mo fa wa, eri ware mo bie. Omo na wo na be bie. Ahio logo, what's in there? Okoko na hio. O ba working. When a woman, if you love to way and block, or block ya. When they be one muyakara, you will be able to way. But is the number who you will be you will move over. And I know you shall ya bow away. When the corner type, this will not get out, will not get a nigby, as is your mo, no more da. When I maybe yes, Sharon, wish Sharon, or wish Sharon a day, or which will not Sharon. Le coué, vous dites que vous avez un Sharon. On a les choses, on a manipulé against the year. Hello? Yeah? Okay. Hey, Mimi, take. Mimi. What do you see?
Pronto? Ciao, mamma. È qua, ma non va la connessione.
You understand? This job will not get a negro. Okba, oya, oive, bagbe, jabujwe. Aku mo done pegbe. Oya yin la wo, iji, la ho, ojegwe la ho, yabo o kanu yabo. Easy. Is your work on your Sharon, you well, why backbo, a dead book, why are you? What you know on a boy? One of the children on the lawa. When I saw a look this year, what I got was you know you have to talk, no, you have to do. All right. Obey understand me now. Let's go there. Is your man Sharon? No more give you well, you know, yeah, boy, nothing like that. When I'm Sharon, you want one about Sharon. When I go to work, come on, I'm not being no. As we speak now, when Izzy, oh, we are ne, Sharon bien. What my tell matter? On the Sharon bien. What my hammer do, Izzy Omoruyi. My hammer do, on the Sharon bien. Don't want bien and work ben wamule in one game way. You should come and tell us. Wala vient because nous bien on va bien on va même la jani aswa mu gugbira yene ban all la vient aswa mu gugbira because e do here ti do ni go na ya agba go bi bon on no na bien na re wa kona pa on no we no ya ne komo obi e wa kona pa wari ele we na dege wari ele na dege na mo la vient no do take responsibility okay why do they God from bi na ya agba go mo me am not after the money you na ya mo Sharon you to. They will not be necessary. Either will take the responsibility of the children. Simple. Un artiste will be fool. All my bien aimé. Mais on m'a bien aimé voir. Mais bah on me dit voir. Mais là the way God found me na bah on me dit. You are talking about taking care of the children. Who go for fuck with the particular about children? Emera. If he doesn't have a father, and I say simple case. Everybody rally. I better I will. Every day carry the war. Upon all the talk you talk, the 8th episode you did yesterday, you never talk about the father. You feel keep the secret of the father of Sharon's baby father, but you were exposing the secret of the mother and the son and the daughter. And what's you are a bad friend. You are an evil friend. Or say down. If you don't want to show you Sharon be here, or say no oga wagi, or say the one be Sharon. Why it is you? O buwa me be Sharon. Undan e wa hin. Gbero mo mata gir Monica, wo do agbe le Facebook. Easy.
Forest.
All she went
She left 2 kids behind, 2 beautiful daughters. Mimi.
Come on, me I tell no one people don't understand it. Me, I'm not there for those now who can put jargon stories. So. My support, me bringing back this account to support Sharon. It is not for the children. It is not for the children. I clarify on na make una dey know. Now for the use and bury Sharon, not for the children. The children have a father. They say the father get money, in Lagos, he get house for Lagos, now big boy. Abi? Oh yeah. May take care of the children. May take care of the children. Big boy, where they born for? Not fit talk say he go give him 5 million. Person gonna say my big boy get house for Lekki. We wanna use the head. We wanna not use anybody head because why we get where the bridge go reach, we go scatter the bridge from not do where. And first of all, let me first of all announce this. The family of OKPAMEN will be coming out very soon to speak to the general public about the burial arrangement of Sharon. Yes, because we urge them to come out and speak in Sharon OKPAMEN's platform, Sharon page. No, not make that announcement. And they say, okay, by the grace of God, they will come out and speak. You understand? Well, nowadays, and everybody should be careful. And a lot of women and men and guys out there should be warned. You see all these useless women. When I hold on, all those useless women when they come, they talk say, ina mama Sharon, ina OKPAMEN, why ya sumu, why ya look here, when I why you OKPAMEN, why OKPAMEN, why ya claiming those names, no gwen beluwa bujwa. Hello, I greet you. What up?
My brother, here we life now. Am I suing what big matter? Here what benning. So no one only strength in the way. Keke we Monica no waya fight a battle now. That God will continue to bless you people more and more.
Amen.
Like as you said, again, ni only Monica we mujaji na mo ariwa. Ovinyi riwa. E kakabu story ni si wa talo na. Oma make sense at all. Look at her yesterday. The lip gloss in a row. No. Again, Mama she black ladia or dark navy blue. No way, your ladia. Na we the colony of it black here. Easy. You like when you from Victor Kaiban. Oh we are deceiving man. Emma nibe ete from Victor ete Monica. We are there. Because of that hatred.
Yes, now.
They will join you, but you think they are helping you. They are done here. Pasking me here, we know that. We to boil and you beg we egbe wenye or my we know you are back coffee. A Rita, a video of power no they can't sing ya no room na. They should stop. Emma na Emma because of wama lakoma.
Yes, no.
Why?
Because you hate Monica now. Because you hate Monica. A Monica temata. You go, you know. Oh, my temata. I will matter no.
Like why this gay? Why this gay just can't they do anyhow like this? Oh man, who were like a best friend you were. Even you talking yesterday, wait away. I was a run away, meaning Maria Belaja, who gain a much who gain a much with you, Popan, within a get up with Metitala, no the way, when I make a deck benny, no semena, and we have away, will Sharon, and say, where, they send with the same upon where una, they send Wawana, Uriel, Wamany one or your majo, what day. I mean, you one or your may be a webo. Me mami je no do koko do wi koke gbere operation ya bi e ijo we ni ado papa kere ijo wo papa ya ifu o ma ye bia ye ke no sige no gba o ge for 3 weeks or 2 weeks depends on that person condition the need we here the teach we hero why ya teach we ke mi no do papa according to the story now e Sharon ro wi je e ba no ke a hospital ye check up. Anybody don't come to more yard check up or me 1 month. 1 month, 1 month I will check up. You move me, you move the leg. At the hospital. Why know what they talk to? Easy. Enter house, you shame enter house, you are fed. Who fail in there? Why we part 1, part 2, but I just look at it the way you are still coming back. You are a goner already. My bros, thank you very much. When we are stand, you tell me deceive one. We know that way. Pravito, oh no, says all the Monica. You know what? Marry. No one marry here. Then I will win, and I always bury in your way. You know, sit down, look. Injustice. I bet my brother carry on. Could just enter my body. It don't make sense at all. Near our donor. Every time when stop.
A book boring.
Okay, bye.
A book boring. What if one? Hello? Hello?
Hello, bro.
I greet you.
Hello, bro.
I greet you with better style.
Hello, Minister.
Oh, what speaker I go here?
You know, it's even the baffle me. If you say me, you even share can. Not be Sharon the first. Not be Sharon the first person when say to say back. Where I can't be say Sharon will come change. Not to let she the first person to win it back. And two, it is the one make one say they say Sharon friends to in Nigeria. Say that they get and two, say Sharon they do shopping, they go they give them for Nigeria. You know that. Okay. Hello.
I hear you. They hear you. Go ahead.
Okay. I will go ya fefeni shop in what's the name man was say very ma ni ya rent to wama ni gari Nigeria le we shopping o gawa se ni scam dem ata no because we o cloth hours you in Nigeria get liability ni here when Sharon cloth here what's the Sharon mana better we to my observation be me ya no and ma show Sharon e win na the we po e ma show go e win na
Sharon winner. Sharon man winner. You understand? Sharon man winner. It be a Sharon agbe. It be a agbe. You understand? And Sharon me bo with Denmark. No be ari mu go ne. You understand now? Oh, who there and the truth need to be talk. Now the truth need to talk. Me I know they get and they know they fit to fuck nyash. The time I first said Sharon last year, I see talking. You understand? They know the guy make here. And now everything we are talking are truth. Oh, matter way they know. Easy. Who we winner? Who we mave? What's going on? Bubu we ya bowa. We na do apita nyongere na. Ana me ngogere we na yoga. Who we ve? Iju we mu we ade we bu. We mati ozo no we ya bowa. Iju we mu we ade we bu. We mati be ya gbe ko na jere mo bu yo wonu agba oge. O pe apa ka no ga afred